Nice catch, Vern.
No, don't! Close the door. The walls are moving! Quick, find a way out!
Hopper.
Skipper?
Dusty, pull up!
Whoa! Skipper! You're flying!
Oh, you noticed. Listen, I got Rip. You take care of the other two.
Got it!
They're on your six, kid. You gotta lose them.
I'm trying! Skip, I can't shake him!
Pull hard right. I'll break left and take out Rip. Use the rock.
Roger that.
Surrender, Buzz Lightyear. I have won.
Hit the switch.
Okay, turn it off for a second. Turn it off. Let's just turn it off.
Hey, what was that noise?
Huh?
Where is my white hatchback?
Excuse me?
And why are there skid marks there?
I just got through mowing the lawn. If that's a crime.
Freaking rented this thing this morning!
Okay. It's cool, man. I'm a detective. Clear the crime scene and let me think. Meteors did it! That'll be $20.
I just can't resist the spicy taste.
Peperami. It's a bit of an animal.
I won't share a bag with anyone!
Nice TV!
Come up and finish me off, you wimp! What's the matter? Too spicy for you! Nursery rhymes, musicals, puppy dogs, aroma therapy!
What happened to my freaking car?
Hold it right there. Thank goodness you're all right.
Buzz, what is going on?
Hold on.
Oh!
I am Buzz Lightyear, and I'm in charge of this detachment. No, I'm Buzz Lightyear. I am Buzz Lightyear. I'm Buzz Lightyear.
So, who's the real Buzz?
I am. Don't let this imposter fool you. He's been trained by Zurg himself to mimic my every move. Will somebody please explain what's going on?
Well, not really. No, actually not.
Your Majesty.
I hit a camera. Yeah, and this time I've got him.
I'm a cuddly toy. What a nightmare!
Peperami. It's a bit of an animal.
I won't share a bag with anyone!
Peperami. It's a bit of an animal. Peperami. It's a bit of an animal.
a single scarer who can do what you do. I know everyone sees us together. They think I'm the one running the show, but the truth is, I've been riding your coattails since day one. You made the deal with Hardscrabble. You took a hopeless team and made them champions. All I did was catch a pig.
Technically, I caught the pig.
Exactly. And you think you're just okay? You pulled off the biggest scare this school has ever seen.
That wasn't me.
That was you.
Oh, nuts.
Pile
Придется чувствовать. Тебе нужен инструмент. Хочешь делать гэнг-бэнг? Делать гэнг-бэнг. Придется чувствовать. Тебе нужен инструмент. Хочешь делать